Oh, there's a pedophile.
Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair and I'm going for platinum blonde. I'm going to be using this dye to this bleach. I'm going to be using this bleach to do the first process, then I'm going to go in with the rest things. Then I'll show you guys the product and everything. So stay tuned. To have everything mixed. My friend is going to help me, to do everything. You guys meet NK. Put some shea butter around the perimeters because I have thin edges. I'm going to use nylon because I don't have shower cap. Wait for a bit, like maybe 30 minutes. So I just need to make it really light, so brown, but this is what we have here. You guys, do you know that I was not timing this thing? We'll come back out and see.
Oh, there's a pedophile.
I should call me pedophile because
That's the only explanation for him.
I'm going to wash it. I think I might wait another day. I don't know yet, but I need to wash it first. So this is what we have. So I think we want to do a patch test with this. So I'll bleach it again on one side, then I'll use this one to do another patch test to see what it looks like before I finally finalize on it, if I need to do a day two bleaching. I think we cleaned this part because we were not seeing anything in here. I think the bleach is working, so we'll probably just bleach it the second time. Yeah. So we are bleaching it again because you can see this is not the color we're trying to go for. Once it's white, not white but lighter than this, so that's why we're bleaching it again so that we can do the platinum blonde. I hope it's successful, you guys. Pray for me as you're watching this video. But let's moisturize the lips.
I don't see you. I have to.
Maybe I should get foil and wrap my hair.
Boy, go do it. Don't say your own hair.
Why you cook your head though?
Oh, there's a pedophile.
Bleaching it the second time, and then I had to cover it with my hoodie so it gets bleached fast. This is what we have. I think it's lighter already. So this is bleaching it the second time. I left it for 35 minutes or about. I'm thinking of leaving it a bit. I'll probably leave it for 5 minutes extra or 10. So this is what we have. So now I'm going to wash the. I think it's okay. What do you guys think? So this is what we have. Come closer. Just going to dry the. I already mixed the dye. Yes, I already mixed this inside here. So I'm just going to wait for this to dry a bit because it's still very damp. You get me? Then we'll get the transformation. Okay, so updates. I removed the thing I was wearing, the nylon. My hair is really peppering me, but this is what we have. I don't know, everything is pink. I'm going to wash my hair now because my hair is on fire. Yeah. Ouch. So I'm just going to wash it off. See, up close. My scalp feels so tender. I don't even want to comb it right now. So guys, here's the finished results. After I kept the platinum, I call it bleach or dye, I think, I don't know. After I kept the platinum bleach on it, then I rinsed it off, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't actually look like the platinum blonde I'm going for, but I'm going to try again tomorrow because right now I need to let my scalp rest. It's been through bleaching twice. I had to bleach it twice to take it from black to brown, then to like bronzy blonde, and then I kept the platinum bleach on it. So I'm going to try it again tomorrow and see what it looks like. It looks like it's getting there, but just that it's not there yet, like as you guys can see. And yeah, and after I rinsed it out, I kind of deep conditioned it with egg and my normal conditioner to just kind of keep the texture of my hair in place and also like protect my scalp. Then I also went ahead to like shea butter it too. But yeah, let's see how things go and stuff like that. Yeah, so tomorrow we'll see what it looks like. Hi guys, so like I just woke up this morning and I tried to bleach my hair once again. So this is what we have now. Let's see this. So now I have everything set. So I'm just going to try this again. I have a mirror just here. So I'm just going to be looking at that. So like see what it gives. Okay, so like I've left it for 20 minutes. Yes, I left my hair for 20 minutes. And I want to see what it looks like right now. Brush it up a bit. I feel like color is not changing, you guys. I think I'll probably just wash it off because like it's beginning to sting, so I'll probably just wash it off. So I'm just going to get my shampoo, and I actually use like a purple shampoo and things like that. So I'll probably get that and just like finish up those hair dye. The bleaching process, can never go wrong. You can go wrong because you guys don't be so rubbish, but yeah. So I'm just going to wash it up now and we'll see what it looks like. So guys, I've washed off the hot bleaching process and this is what I have left. Yeah. And this is what I have left, and right now at this point I leave the hair. Really, I leave it. I leave it. I'm not touching it again. Maybe it's like weeks after, I'll probably change it to a different color or something, or just rock it like this. But I don't know, I think this is platinum blonde gone wrong. Wow, this is my first time trying to dye my hair. This is what I get. But yeah, still it doesn't look bad. The middle is still like kind of bronzy. I think because my middle is kind of thick. Yeah. But like every other thing is kind of even, but actually turning white a bit around this side, but not like way, not like too light. I think if I had used like a proper, if I had used like the BW bleach and the developer item like developer 40 or something, I think I would have gotten the results I wanted. But they don't sell that around my area, so I had to like make deal with the bleach that they sell in stores. And obviously those ones, they didn't write like the level of developer it is. Like I don't know if it's developer 20 or what's like the degree of it, so I guess that's why. I think, I'm not sure, but yeah, maybe later in the future I'll give you another try, or better still I'll just go to like a salon to get it done professionally. But yeah, these are part of struggles as like trying to do things yourself. You feel, you try again, you feel, you try again, you try different methods, you try different colors. But yeah, like I'm really happy that I actually tried this, and I can't wait to think about the next color I want to go for. And maybe if you have any like color suggestions, let me know. Like just leave it down in the comment section. Yeah, so this is the end of this video. Platinum blonde gone wrong. Bye guys.